Dear student, it is fourth problem based on balancing. Okay, the question is that five masses A, B, C, D and E are attached to a shaft and revolve in the same plane. The mass of A is 20 kg, B is 10 kg, C is 16 kg respectively, and their radii of rotations are equal. Okay, the angular position of the mass B, C, D and E are 60 degree, 135 degree, 210 degree and 270 degree from the mass A. Here it is required to calculate the magnitude of D and E for complete balance and solve by graphical method. The same problem I solved in previous video by analytical method. The same problem here also I am going to solve by graphical method. Okay, so by graphical method, here I am going to write what are the given things in the question, right? So given data, so there are five masses are given. Okay, so A is nothing but M A, that is equal to 20 kg, M B equal to 10 kg, M C equal to 16 kg, M D is not given, so it is required to calculate. Similarly, M E is also not given, so it is required to calculate. And what are the, but one thing, their radii of rotation are equal. That means R A equal to R B equal to R C equal to R D equal to R E, that is equal to 1. Okay, and the angle positions are given. Those are 60 degree, 135. That means theta A equal to 0 degree, right? Theta B equal to 60 degree, theta C equal to 135 degree, theta D equal to 210 degree and theta E equal to 270 degree from the mass A, right? So these are the given data I written here, right? And it is required to calculate the magnitude of D and E for complete balance. Okay, in previous problem I solved by analytical method. In this problem I am going to calculate the graphical method, right? So what is the first procedure of graphical method? That is draw the space diagram, right? First method is to draw the space diagram, right? See, here I am going to make it one simple point and drawing the horizontal line at some distance. Okay, so this is the mass M1, that is equal to 20 kg, right? So this is the radius RA. Okay, and similarly from M1 to M2 is 10 kg at an angle 60 degree. So this is the 60 degree, So this is the mass M2, that is 10 kg. So this is the RB at an angle 60 degree, right? From mass 2 to mass C is having 135 degree from the horizontal mass. Okay, so that means 135 minus 60 is 75 degree. That means you can draw the 75 degree from this line to draw the line. Okay, or you can draw the line at an angle 135 degree from the horizontal mass A. It is because they given clearly mentioned in the question, that is 60 degree from the mass A, 75 degree from the mass A, 210 degree from mass A, and similarly 270 degree from the mass A. From the mass A, I drawn mass B at an angle 60 degree. For mass 3, I am going to draw the 135 degree from the mass A. Okay, you can follow this kind of method, or you can, but as per the this kind of instrument, it is not possible to draw the 135 degree more than 180 degree. Okay, so that's why I'm going to use another method. That means the total given angle is 135 degree from the mass A. So this it is possible to make the point at 135 degree from the mass A. So this is the 135. This is the angle M3 equal to 135 degree from the horizontal mass. This is 135 degree from the horizontal mass A to mass 3. Similarly, from mass M1 to M4 is at an angle 210 degree. So 210 degree is not possible to make this with the help of this instrument. Okay, so in previous problem I told you that from this horizontal line, extend the horizontal line from this side. So this is at an angle 180 degree. Okay, so the total length is 200, total degree is given, that is d equal to theta d equal to 210 degree. That means 210 minus 180, so that is 30 degree. So from this line we can draw the angle of line at 30 degree. So this is the 30 degree. So this is the M4, that is not given the value. Okay, so it is an angle 30 degree, right? So this is the 180 degree. 180 degree plus 30 degree is nothing but 210 degree. So that means from here to here, (210 degree). Okay, so last degree is 270 degree. So it is exactly 90 degree from horizontal masses at the bottom side. So this is M5, sorry, ME. Here it is not given the value. So from here to here, the angle is 270 degree. So this remaining angle is 90 degree. So calculating all these value, becomes 360 degree. That means all these masses rotating in the same plane is perfectly balanced. Okay. Now the first step, the first procedure is done, that is to draw the space diagram, and second procedure is that calculate the centrifugal force. That is Fc equal to m into r. So MARA equal to 20 into RA is 1, that is 20 kg meter, and similarly MBRB equal to, so MB value is 10, so 10 into RB is 1, that is 10 kg meter. MCRC is, so MC is 16, so 16 into RC is 1, that is 16 kg meter. But we don't know the value of MD and ME. Here I am going to solve the problem by graphical method. Okay. See, let us adopt some suitable scale. The third procedure is to draw the vector diagram. Right. So by suitable some scale, I am going to take 2 centimeter equal to 10 kg meter. Right. That means for 20 kg meter, that is equal to 2 into 10, 20 for 20 is 4. So 4 centimeter parallel to mass M1 for 10 kg meter equal to 2 centimeter parallel to mass M2, MA, it is MB, right? And for 16 kg meter equal to 16, 12, so that means 3.2 centimeter parallel to mass MC. Okay. And for now next procedure is that to calculate the drawing the closing line of applying the polygonal force. Applying the polygon force by closing the AE distance. That means here it is required to draw the line parallel to horizontal mass, okay, at a distance of 4 centimeter. For 20 kg meter, that is equal to 4 centimeter parallel to mass A. So it is required to draw the horizontal line from the mass A. So this is mass A, this is mass B, and this is mass C, and mass D, and mass E. Okay, so this is the line required to draw the line at a distance 4 centimeter. Here this is the initial point 1 2 1 2 3 4. So this is the point A and this is the B. Okay, at a distance of 4 centimeter, and draw the line parallel to the mass B at a distance of 2 centimeter, right? 2 centimeter parallel to MB. So this is the MB mass line parallel to from the point B. Okay, 1 2. So this is point C, right? And for 16 kg meter is equal to 3.2 centimeter parallel to MC. So this is the line parallel MC. So this is the line parallel MC. Three point 1 2 3 3.2. So this is the end point D. Okay, but the mass D and E is not given. So but remaining D to the mass D angle is given. So this line here I am going to closing the line at a distance of so at an angle of mass D. So this is the angle of mass D is required to draw the line from the D point by showing the dotted line. Okay, and this is the perpendicular line of mass E is required to draw the line from the point A. So these 2 points will be meeting at this point. So this point is called as E. So by measuring the D distance, so this is the 3.2 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. By measuring these two distance from the D to E is 3.2. So this is the 3.2 and it is exactly 2.4 centimeter. By measuring from here to here, 2.4 centimeter. Okay, so these two lines are closing, represent the line D to E and E to A. Okay, so this is the space diagram and this is a vector diagram. So it's complete the vector diagram by applying the polygonal force by closing the line AE. So it is required to calculate the mass of D and E. So mass of so it is AE point is at 2.4 centimeter and DE line is 3.2 centimeter. So we are going to calculate the balancing mass. Okay, that is M D. So MD is that is 3.2 centimeter, right? So this line DE is nothing but 3.2 centimeter. So this DE line is parallel to this angle, okay, and AE line is parallel to this mass. So this mass is ME and this line is parallel to this angle. This angle is nothing but MD. So MD is nothing but DE. So MD is nothing but DE, that is 3.2 centimeter. We adopted the scale 2 centimeter equal to 10 kg meter. So that is 10 by 2. So we get the value 16 kg. Similarly, ME is 2.4 centimeter into 10 divided by 2. We get the value 12 kg. So that means ME is 16 kg and MD is 16 kg, ME is 12 kg. So this is the procedure for graphical method to solve the problems on balancing. Okay. Thank you.